Artificial intelligence tools are making a revolution today in every sector of our professional and everyday life, including education. Teachers now face the need to stop students from cheating and ensure them the independent e-learning process. We can help you, Google Admin, to meet this challenge. To help you deal with artificial intelligence at your school, we've created a secure learning environment to monitor students' remote work in Google Workspace for Education. Our new Teacher Assignments tool will help monitor student homework for originality and improve online supervision of your students. Through a variety of techniques, our tool carefully monitors the student's work while doing the given assignment. It monitors typing activity, including words typed and backspaces, as well as copies and pastes. We also use AI to help confirm the identity of the typist, as well as the likelihood that ChatGPT was used. It can also allow teachers the ability to block copying and pasting into a given assignment. Request early access to try this innovative AI-based GAT Lab solution for your Google Classroom.